Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix cellular issue on iPhone. Here are some steps to fix cellular issue on an iPhone. If cellular and mobile data is not working on iPhone, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Number 1 is restart your iPhone. Simple reboot can often resolve connectivity issue. Simply tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find shutdown, dragging the slider to right side and wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely shut down, turn it on back and fix your problem. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is check your network coverage. Ensure you have a stable signal in your area. If signal is weak, simply change the area and fix your problem. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check your cellular settings. Go to settings, tap on cellular. Make sure your cellular data is enabled. Turn it on and fix your problem. If already turn it on, turn it off and turn it on back after 10 to 20 seconds and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is check for software updates. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset network settings. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up to find tap on general, little bit scroll up again, transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset your network settings and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is check for physical damage, impact your iPhone SIM card slot and antenna for damage. If antenna SIM card slot is damaged, visit the nearest Apple store or visit the nearest Apple authorized dealer and fix your problem. If solution number 6 is not working, make sure your SIM card is working. Replace your SIM card. If your SIM card is damaged or outdated, replace it with a new one and fix your problem. If solution number 7 is not working, applying the solution number 8. Solution number 8 is check for carrier updates. Ensure your settings are up to date and fix your problem. If solution number 8 is not working, now applying the solution number 9. Solution number 9 is contact your carrier. Reach out to your carrier customer support for further assistance and fix your problem. If solution number 9 is not working, now applying the solution number 10. Solution number 10 is reset all settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on this, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset all settings and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, visit an Apple store and contact with support.apple.com for further assistance. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix cellular issue on iPhone. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.